In previous video I have discussed about stack, so how it works and all. Now I'm going to write the code, and if you have not seen the previous video, uh, you should see, because you can't understand anything from this video what I'm doing now. It is just a coding part. So let us go to coding. So what I already I said I'm going to use stack stl library, right? That is include stack stack, so that I am using this one. Then what I do is I need a string, right? String. Let us take this string itself, the example that we discussed, right? That string is this one. So let me just copy paste this one. So this is what this same example I'm going to send. So str, let it be equal to, we should get the postfix that we have discussed. So same output we should get. So what I'm doing is I need to I will send this string, right? I will say before that, you know that for precedence, for positive and negative, it is low precedence of positive and negative. Then I already explained you that one. So let us define that function, right? What it need to return me is int. What is that I am doing is precedence. I am finding precedence. What you send me is, you send me some character. I will that is an operator. More specifically, I will send you the precedence of that one. So if the character is nothing but plus, or that character is negative, since it has less precedence, I will return you 1. Else if c is equal to star, or else if that is multiplication, if is equal to division, then what you do return me 2, because it has more precedence. Else if c is equal to some like power, so you return me 3. So or else if you find not any other different operator, then you return me -1. Oh, it is okay. Now I need to convert from infix to postfix, right? Postfix. Okay, this is my function name. What I'm going to send, I'm going to send string. Okay, what I'm going to receive, let me not receive anything, let me print there itself in that function. Okay, I will just call this function. So I will do return 0. Now all the things what I'm going to do will be done here. So what it need to return, it need to return nothing. So this is function. Let me copy this thing, and what I do is it is nothing much string, right? It is just a string. So yes, okay. Now what I'm going to do is I need to create stack. I said stack stack. Stack of what type you are creating? Stack of like string type I'm creating, because I need to or else let me create this stack like what I need in stack. Let me see the solution, how stack will, what stack has. So every time stack will be having this positive, negative, these things are nothing but string, right? So it should be of string type. So let me take this as stack of string type. So stack of string type. Then what I need, as I discussed, I need a result, that is output variable should be let me take it as a result. As I discussed in earlier video, I took it as a result. Now also I will take it as a result. Now let us go through all the element of the string, that is our input string. So yes dot size -1. So I am going to look on all the characters. Imagine of that character, that is yes of I, if it comes out to be right, if it is greater than equal to a, if it is greater than equal to a, and if that s of I, if it is less than or equal to z, right? If it is small letter alphabets, what you need to do, normally these are the operands, right? These are what? Operands. These has to be pushed into what? String, as I discussed in last video. So if s of I is greater than equal to a and s of I is less than equal to z, right? Again, we have other the bigger capital alphabets, right? For that also I'm going to write here itself, or if it s of I is greater than equal to capital A, or it is less than equal to z, or again, or if s of I is greater than equal to 0, then also that is also operand, right? So I will consider that as an operand. So I'm going to give from 0 to 9. So if this is the case, then what you need to do is result. Result should be simply added with this one. Should be added with s of I. That's it, right? You need to do this. That's it. Then what you will do? Else if s of I comes out to be equal to opening bracket, that means it is opening bracket, then what you do, as I discussed earlier, I have discussed that you need to simply push that into stack. So if you have not seen the last video, then you can't understand anything. So s dot, what I need to do is push. What I will push s of I, that is nothing but the bracket. I'm going to push it. Else if that is s of I, if it is equal to closing bracket, what you are going to do, then I need to pop all the operands that are there after the opening bracket in stack. I am going to pop it into string. So while that s of I becomes not equal to, that is s of I, right? It is not s of I, it is s of top, right? And here again I have done stack is ht. Let me take it as ht because this string will also become yes, this will also become yes. It is not good, so let string be yes. And okay, now while I here I'm pushing if it is, I need to push it into stack is ht. So result is right, it is till now it is perfect. Now yes, if top goes understand this one, if history of top, if it is not equal to opening bracket, until then what you need to do is you pop everything into result, right? Everything you need to pop. That means result now becomes st of top, right? It will become, you need to pop everything, and then you need to pop actually, right? Till you reach this one, you need to pop, and when you reach this one, you should come out. When you will come out, right? And you will come out as I explained you here. Whenever you find the bracket, opening bracket, then you push that one, then you simply add up all the all the operator inside this bracket. Then when you find this closing bracket, right, at that time you pop everything out. Like what, that is what I'm doing. I need to pop everything. Okay, after that what you need to do, you just pop this this also. I don't need this opening bracket, right? I don't need opening bracket, simply pop it. So when you find, when s of ht of top, that is stack top is this one, you come out. So what you will do after coming out, you pop that also. You have popped. Okay, now else what will happen if that is an operator, right? If it is an operator, what will happen? Again, if it is an operator, you need to push it into stack. Before that, you need to check the condition. What the condition you need to check? Whether that string, that character, if it is less than equal to, that is precedence, right? Precedence, that is precedence of precedence of this string, the character that is coming inside from the input string. If it is less than, right, it is less than equal to the precedence of st of top. If it is greater than that one, right? You need to simply push, right? You need to push it into what? Stack. Okay, I need to push. Okay, I will push it. Again, before that, what I am going to do is I need to see again. If you are getting confused again, if precedence of the string that is coming in, if it is less than equal to, if it is less than equal to which is already there in the stack, right? Imagine here the string that is coming here is the operator that is coming here is negative, right? Negative. When it comes, if this positive is less than equal to, right, it is equal to, actually it is equal to, then you, what you do is you pop this one, you pop into this string, right? You need to pop this into string. Okay, what I do is, again, I need to pop, that means in result I will store everything plus or equal to, it is nothing but st st of top, right? Okay, after that what you need to pop, you should actually pop. Okay, I will pop. Then what you do until, and also another condition you need to check is, yes, this stack shouldn't be empty. If it is empty, it is useless to continue doing this one. So if it is not empty and precedence is less than the precedent of the operator that is at the top, then only you do this one. So after that, what you need to do, you need to push, right? You need to push that particular element, like in this case positive. After popping this plus, you need to add that one, right? So what I do is ht.push push of what? Push of characters, that is s of I, right? So that will be okay, I think. Okay, now you come out of this for loop. After coming of the for loop, what, see the stack, man, see the stack. See, in this case also, when we came out of the for loop, our stack was not empty. At that time, you simply pop everything. If it is empty, no problem, you don't need to do anything. So while st isn't empty, right? st isn't empty. What you need to do is you need to put that into result. st dot top, you need to push it into result, then again pop st dot pop, right? That is how it works. Then what I do, I will print the result. So result will be so that is where my output will be. So I will print. Let us see what we get. What are the errors that we are going to find? Okay, st.pop, here I have some bracket issue. Then again I think st.push. What is the error? Let me erase this one. Okay, no match for the operator. Okay, which is that operator? No match for operator. For operator, when s of I will become this one, right? At that time you need to push. You need to push what? You need to push that bracket. So what is my error here? I need to push. Okay. Till now what we have did some mistake here. See, it is not string, it is character. See, I am pushing each and every character, right? I should take it as ch here. So that will work. That was my fault. Sorry. Then what? Let me run. Let us see where all the mistake I have did. Okay. It is not printing anything. So I think there is some mistake. It should have printed, right? When I called this in, I think in some while loop, it is from while loop it is not coming out, right? I think that is what the mistake is. So let's see the while loop. Okay, precedence is less than equal to this top. So there is no problem here also. I think it is stuck in some while loop. Let us see whether it gives me a result or not. Okay, it is not printing anything. Let me rectify that. So let me show you what was the mistake that I made. See here, my mistake, I have given size -1. So it will reach till size -2, right? So either I should give is equal to, or I should remove this -1. So that is my first mistake. And second mistake is I am sending directly. I have SFI, I have character, right? I don't need to put this symbols here. So if you need, either we can send like this, like as a character, or we can send just like this. So that will work out. So I have sent the normal input that we have discussed, and we are getting the result. So let us compare with our result. So our result was A, B, C star plus D, E minus E. Okay, that is what the result is. We got the output. So next I am going to cover all of these, like prefix. Now I did infix to postfix. After that I am going to do infix to prefix, then prefix to infix, then postfix to infix, then again all type of combination. Let us do that one, and let us see what let us see. Okay, so if you have not seen the theory part of this, please look at that. You can't understand anything again. Thank you.